Magandang araw pa din mga kamatalino at kamatyaga. So muli po ay ating ipagpapatuloy ang ating pag-aaral sa compound interest. But at this time naman po, what if the time is unknown? So, again, there are instances when length of time might be unknown, and in compound interest, we use this formula to compute for the time respectively. So, time is equal to the total number of period divided by the conversion period. Okay? So, for today's video, we will compute for a known time of each given the present value P, future value F, and the rate of interest. So with the given first example, principal amount is 50,847.46. Also, the final amount is 60,000. Then, ano po ang ating interest rate? 9% or 0.09 kapag i-convert natin sa decimal. So, this is quarterly compounding. Ibig sabihin po, M is equal to 4. Okay? Now, our next step is to solve for N. Okay? So, yung total number of period po natin ay kailangan muna ng hanapin, no? With using this formula, N equals logarithm of the final amount divided by the present amount all over logarithm of 1 plus I. Okay? So, syempre, para makuha po muna natin yung I na yan, isusolve muna natin yung R divided by M. So, 0.009. Ang rate natin is 9%. Convert to decimal, 0.09. Ang ating conversion period is quarterly. So, M is equal to 4. So, ang I natin is 0.0225. Yan po ang ating isa-substitute dito. So, logarithm of ang final amount natin 60,000 pesos divided by ang atin pong present value is 50,847.46 all over logarithm of 1 plus, eto po yung I natin, 0.0225. Okay, so anong magiging value ng N natin? N is equal to 7.44. Yan po ang ating isa-substitute dito sa formula ng ating time. So, time is equal to 7.44 divided by, ang conversion period natin is 4. So, therefore, ang time natin is, the length of time is 1.86 years. Okay? Now, let's proceed to our second example. 62,500 pesos. Ang ating present value. Final amount is 100,000 pesos. And ang ating rate is 12% or convert to decimals, that is 0.12. So that is annually compounding. So M is equal to 12. Okay? So again, kunin muna natin yung I natin, no, na isa-substitute natin sa formula to solve for N. So I is equal to R. Ang rate natin 0.12. Ang ating M is compounding 1. So, I is equal to 0.12. Then, we'll substitute that in our formula to compute for N. Now, we have the final amount, 100,000. And ang ating present value, 62,500. Divided by logarithm of 1 plus. Ang I natin is 0.12. So, the value of N is 4.15. Okay? Now, yan yung isa-substitute na natin to solve for the length of time. So, 4.15 divided by, ang atin pong M is 1. No? So, 4.15 divided by 1, length of time is 4.15 years. Next, let's proceed to our third example. For the principal amount of 744,047.62 pesos and the final amount of 750,000 pesos with a rate of 1.6% or convert to decimals 0.016. So this is semi-annually compounding. So M is equal to 2. Okay. So, kunin muna natin yung ating I, R divided by M. Ang ating rate ay 0.016 divided by semi-annual, so 2. I is equal to 0.008. Next, using this formula, logarithm of final amount divided by the principal amount all over the logarithm of 1 plus I, we have, ang atin pong final amount is 750,000 pesos, and then the present amount is 744,047.62. Ito po yan lahat. Logarithm of 1 plus, ito po yung 0.008. So, ang n natin is equal to 1. Okay? Now, we'll just substitute that to the formula of the length of time. Length of time is equal to n divided by m. So, ang n po natin is, ano po yung n natin? 1. Ito. And then, ang m natin is 2. Semi-annually compounding. So, therefore, ang atin pong time or length of time is 0.5, or the length of time is 0.5 years or 6 months. Okay? Now, let's proceed to our next example. 103,448.28 pesos ang ating principal amount. Ang final amount natin is 125,000 pesos. At ang ating interest rate is 25% or 0.25. And this is monthly compounding, so M is equal to 12. So, to solve for I is equal to R divided by M. We have, ang rate natin is 25% or 0.25. Compounded monthly, so 12. I is 0.02. So, using this formula, we will compute for N. So, logarithm of, ang ating future value ay 125,000 pesos. Ayan po yun. Ang ating present value is 103,448.28. Ito po yun. Divided by logarithm of 1 plus, ang I po natin ay 0.02. Ang value ng N natin is 9.56. So, yan po ang ating isa-substitute sa ating formula. The length of time is equal to N divided by M. So, 9.56 po ang ating N divided by monthly compounding, so 12. Ang time natin, 0.80. Okay? So, the length of time, 0.80 years or 288 days kapag kinonvert natin, no? And if we have ordinary interest. Okay? So, that's all for now. Once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.